Hi, everybody. Oh, almost forgot about the mic. Let's get started in Inheritance Project Part 2, where we're going to define the automobile class. And then the rest of this is on your own. All right. So we just defined this vehicle class yesterday, and we, had these member variables, speed and capacity. We had these two constructors, default and parameterized, accessors, mutators, and the display member method. Now, if we look over here on the side, we have another class definition mapped out for us for this automobile class. And if you recall, this automobile class should inherit the vehicle class, all right, using this inheritance tree as a guide. So let's create a new file. We're going to rename this automobile.java. Make sure you're spelling that correctly. Oop. In this file, we'll create a new public class, automobile. All right. And then same as yesterday, we'll just start off with the member variables. You would think, right? You would think that that's how we start off, but no. What did I forget? I forgot to extend, or say extends, the vehicle class. All right, so now we'll have all of its member methods, meaning it has speed and capacity as well. It will have its display method and the accessors and mutators. All right, so member variables for this would be mileage, so double mileage, and brand, string brand. All right, default constructor. Since this is a subclass of vehicle, what we can do in our constructors is call the superclasses constructor by just saying super and then putting those parameters in there. Sorry, parentheses. Oof. And then just assign values to the new member variables. So mileage, let's say it gets 30 miles to the gallon, and brand, pick your favorite car brand. Uh, I'll pick Ford. Why not? Always a fan of the Mustang. All right, then we can do parameterized constructor, public automobile, and now what we want to do is we want to supply these parameters for not only the vehicle class but also the automobile. So we'll say double spe for that speed that we're inheriting, int cap for the capacity that we're inheriting, double mil for our mileage, and string, I'll say brand because I don't want to put bra down. You know what? You guys can be mature enough to be fine with that. String bra. Silly. Super spe cap, and then mileage is equal to mil, and brand is equal to bra. Super easy. Let's get the accessors out of the way. We've got a double and we got a string, so I'll say public double get mileage, return mileage, public string get brand, return brand. Mutators, public void set mileage. You want to give them a parameter to work with. We'll just say mil mileage is equal to mil. Some of you accidentally put the semicolons on the outside of your brackets. Make sure you're putting them on the inside here. Public void set brand string bra brand equals bra. All right, so we've got the member variables, constructors, default and parameterize, accessors and mutators, and now we just need these two member methods here. All right, so first method, public void display. Now this method is being inherited as well. So since we want to override this, just let's put that override tag right above it. All right, and now we just have to write it so that we can be more specific. We don't just want the speed and capacity output to the console the way we did in our vehicle class. We also want to add in the mileage and brand. So again, the way we could do that, since we've done this before, we say super dot display. This will call the display method of the super class, the parent class. And then we can just extend it by adding more stuff. So we could say system.out.print ln the mileage is, concatenate mileage right over there. System.out.println the brand is, and concatenate the brand right over there. All right. We also have horn, which is a new method that does not need to be overridden because there is no version of this in the superclass. So we could just say public void horn, and it just says we want to output toot toot to the console. Super easy. System.out.print ln toot toot. I'll throw an there's no exclamation point. Let's be exact. Toot toot. And there you go for your automobile class. All right. Now again, because this was overridden, we had this override tag for the display method, but since horn is an entirely new method, we did not. All right. With what we've done in the past two videos, you should be able to do car, truck, and plane. As for car and truck, all you have to do is the same thing we did here, but instead of car and truck extending vehicles, car and truck will extend automobile. And plane is actually going to be very similar to what we just did here. All right, guys, good luck with this. I'll be checking in with you guys tomorrow and Thursday. And, I'm excited to see the results.